How to turn on private browsing with lock on Safari iOS 17. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. First up, launch your Safari browser. Here we go. You will enter this kind of page. Now in order to enable private browsing, at the bottom right corner you will find this icon. Click on it. Now here you're going to see the option of private. Click on it. Click on done. Just for that you have enabled private browsing. Now, in order to enable lock on private browsing, what you have to do is close this, launch your settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option of Safari. Once you find it, open it. Here you're going to find different options. Scroll down. You will see this option require Face ID to unlock private browsing. You have to enable for this option. Likewise, hit back. Now head towards the option of Face ID and passcode. Enter your phone's passcode over here. Make sure you have enabled for these options. Once you check these settings, you can close this. Now I can launch a Safari browser. Now whenever you try to unlock your private browsing, it will require Face ID. Well, this is how you can easily turn on private browsing with lock on Safari on iOS 17. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.